Here's a list of vegetables that grow well in containers and are relatively easy to manage. Leafy greens, spinach, lettuce, loose leaf, romaine, butterhead, kale, Swiss chard, arugula, mustard greens. Herbs are technically not vegetables, but they're some of the most popular and rewarding plants to grow in container gardens at home. They're easy to care for, don't need much space, and can be harvested fresh whenever you need them for cooking. Growing herbs in containers also lets you move them around to catch the best sunlight or bring them indoors during colder months. Basil is a favorite for its fragrant leaves and is perfect for adding to pasta, salads, or homemade pesto. It thrives in warm weather and can be grown on a sunny windowsill or balcony. Coriander, also known as cilantro, grows quickly and is a must-have for salsas, curries, and garnishes. Its fresh flavor brightens up many dishes. Mint thrives in containers, but it's best to give it its own pot since it spreads rapidly and can take over other plants. Its refreshing taste is perfect for drinks and desserts. Parsley is another easy herb to grow, and it's great for adding a fresh, bright flavor to many dishes. It's also packed with vitamins and can be harvested again and again. Dill's feathery leaves are perfect for seasoning fish, potatoes, and pickles, and it grows well in small pots. Its delicate texture adds a unique touch to your garden. Chives are hardy, easy to snip as needed, and their mild onion flavor makes them a versatile addition to almost any meal. With just a little care, you can enjoy fresh herbs all year round. Fruiting vegetables are some of the most rewarding crops you can grow in containers, even if you have limited space at home. They're perfect for balconies, patios, or even sunny windowsills, making gardening accessible to everyone. Tomatoes are a classic choice, especially cherry and dwarf varieties, which thrive in pots and produce plenty of sweet, juicy fruit. With just a little care, you'll enjoy a steady harvest throughout the season. Chili peppers and sweet peppers, also known as capsicum, are compact, colorful, and perfect for container gardens, adding both flavor and beauty to your space. Eggplant, or brinjal, grows well in pots too. Just make sure they get plenty of sunlight and regular watering for healthy, vibrant plants. For something refreshing, try bush or dwarf cucumbers. These compact plants are easy to manage and produce crisp, delicious cucumbers right on your patio, making them a fantastic addition to any home garden. Root vegetables, radishes, carrots, beets, turnips, onions, garlic, others. Beans, bush varieties are better than pole beans. Peas, okra, ladyfinger. Potatoes in deep grow bags or buckets. Tip: if you want to grow your own fresh vegetables but don't have a big backyard, container gardening is a fantastic solution that works for almost any space, even balconies or small patios. Start by choosing wide, deep containers with good drainage holes at the bottom. This helps prevent water from pooling and keeps roots healthy, giving your plants the best possible start. Always use a light, nutrient-rich potting mix, never regular garden soil, which can be too heavy and may not drain well, making it harder for roots to grow strong. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day, so place your containers where they'll get plenty of sun for best results. Please like and subscribe for more helpful gardening tips.